Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Purification is compulsory for a Muslim because a Muslim person has to face Allah 5 times a day. So, if the body and the clothes are purified, mashallah, the person will be in a good position before Allah. So, that is very important for us to keep our purification every time. So, this way, we must understand what type of things makes us filthy. Then we have to go back for wudu. Like for example, if you like human excretion, urine and stool. So when you are doing that, then after that you have to wash your private parts, and if you have to do wudu again. Same like that, if you feel that you have some type of wounds and pus is coming from there, or the juice, like sometime the watery liquid that comes out from that. So this watery liquid that comes out from that, or the pus coming out from that, if it flows, so it will break the wudu. You have to look after it. And the vomiting, when it is mouthful vomiting, then you have to revise the wudu also. And you have to look after your clothes and body. This is very important. So this way, the women, they must look after their blood that comes in periods. They have to look after it because it makes the clothes filthy. So clothes become filthy. So they have to look after it because purification is very important. Sometimes discharge of a person. So that discharge is making a person to do bath plus wudu. So this way, keep on mind that this is that type of filthy thing that makes you to do bath also. So even on your body, if there is flowing blood, so blood is flowing, so then you have to try to stop the blood. But if it is not stopping, then you have to, if the prayer time is going, then you have to make wudu and pray. Like that time of prayer, you need to do it. You have to cover with some pad the place where blood is flowing. So even if the blood is flowing, no problem, but you have to pray like that. That wudu which you will do, that will be enough for that prayer. Then the next prayer you have to do again. Similarly, if a person who has habit of urinating, like some drops of urine are coming out every time from a person, it is like a disease or it is something that person has. So then that type of person need to make wudu and pray for that type of prayer, which is the time, and then after that for the next prayer, next salah, so person has to do the new wudu, so revise it. So this way, very important, we have to look after it. Even if you look, the excretion of haram animals is also filthy, so look after yourself from that one also. Even excretion of halal animal is also filthy. Similarly, the excretion of birds, you have to look after because that make filthy. Even the chicken or ducks or something like this, they make you filthy when that is on your body part or on your clothes. So all types of alcohol, if alcohol is dropping on your body or on the clothes, that make filthy because you need to wash. That need, like, this is very important. This is filthy, like to make you filthy. All types of intoxicants like drugs, those are also making you filthy. You have to keep yourself away from them. Even the all types of all parts of the pig, so those are also filthy. So you have to look after now. If the filth is more than 1 pound coin, the size of that, If the size of the filth is more than 1 pound coin, then on your body or on your clothes, then its cleaning is compulsory. So salah without cleaning is rejected. So and if you are not cleaning, you are doing sinful act. So this is very important to look after yourself. If the filth is equal to 1 pound coin, you have to wash and clean it. So it is wajib, it is essential to do it. Otherwise, it will be sinful. If your filth is less than 1 pound size, then its washing or cleaning is sunnah. So it is better to wash and clean it. So very important that when you are washing or cleaning, you have to wash, then squeeze with full strength up to the last drop. Do it 3 times. So at start of each wash, you have to wash hands also. At start of each wash, you have to wash hands also. So if there is some non-squeezable thing, then the surface of it should be washed 3 times. Every time start washing when stops dripping. So very important. We have to look after it. Very important. If the filth is light is like light type of filth, like urine of halal animals is also, this is light type of filth. Urine of horses, dropping of haram birds also. So this is called light filth. We have to wash it is better. So if the filth is less than quarter, then if you are unable to wash it, then if you pray, that will be possible, allowed. So, but we have to wash and clean it. That is very important. Very important. We have to do it. So similarly, when you need washing your body, like full bath, then there are 3 compulsory act or farz for the bath, essential bath. You have to do it. So first, the gargling the mouth thoroughly, completely. So you have to do gargling your mouth. Even the water should reach at the throat, like this way. You have to spit out then. So do it 1 time, that is compulsory, and do it 3 times, that is sunnah of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then the second compulsory act of bath is rinsing and cleaning the nose. So very important. You have to rinse and clean your nose, and so even the water should reach the soft bone. So do it like that way. So do it at least 3 times. Very important. And the third thing is that you have to pour, like pouring water over the complete body, so that from the body, even a drop of water like this size of body should not stay dry. So it means water should flow throughout the whole of your body. So this is third compulsory act. So do it like this way is very important. Even if you follow the Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, what he was doing like that, like you have to wash, first of all, you have to clean the part of your body which is filthy. Wash hand first, then clean that part, and after that you have to make wudu, and then you have to place the water on your right side, then on the left side, then on the head, and then do like this way, inshallah, then it will be completed, like your washing or your bath will be completed. So we have to look after it. Very important. Similarly, is you must understand that the breaking of wudu is very important. We have to look after it. When you feel that you are breaking some wind coming out, so then you have to revise the wudu also. If you feel bleeding, then you do wudu again. If you feel the pus is flowing or water is flowing from the wound, then you have to repeat the wudu again. If you feel the mouth full vomiting, then need to do wudu again. If you are sleeping like that, sleeping make your wudu away, so you have to do wudu again after sleeping. To become unconscious, so your wudu will be broken. When you will come into conscious situation, then you have to revise your wudu again. Sometimes the people they go and take intoxicant like and that during the intoxication, so the person becomes away from the normal life like this way. So they have to look after this. It should not go into that because it is prohibited, and and even if somewhere it happen, then you have to come back after when into senses. Then you have to revise your wudu also. If you are praying like you are in salah, and if you are laughing during the salah, laughing loud, and you are listening that one also, you are laughing, then you have your wudu and salah both are broken. You have to do wudu and repeat your salah again. So we have to try our best to understand purity and look after purity every time in order to get to purification, because Allah likes in Allah yuhibbu tawabina wa yuhibbul mutatahirun. So you have Allah like the mutatahirin, like the people who are pure. So inna Allah yuhibbu tawabina wa yuhibbul mutatahirin. So we have to be the person who Allah love. So Allah love the people who repent, who do tawbah astaghfar, and who try to purify, keep their body and clothes purified, and look after themselves. They are away from all type of evils to make their life on strong footing of Islamic Sharia with the purity. MashaAllah, that is the thing which we need. Allah gave us tawfiq to do it. Ameen.